Do you want to know how you can earn passive income? Now, we know a lot of you are very busy with all of the already other stuff going on with your life. But do you want to learn about a method that's going to help you make money online that won't need you to work hours on end? It's not something that you want to miss for sure. If this is something that you want or you've been looking for, then before we proceed, we just want to let you know that we are going to be walking you through the whole process step by step so that you won't get lost or confused. All you need to do is watch the video to the very end so that you won't get lost. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. So we're going to be working with GIFs today, and we're 100% sure that you know what we're talking about. And if you've never used them, then someone must have sent them to you. Could be either way. You could probably have seen it also on social media. It's literally everywhere. But for those who really have no idea what they are, basically it's a video that has no sound that just goes on playing in loops. So you don't need to click on it or anything. It'll just keep playing by itself, and it's very short. So how about just go on to Google, search for GIFs, and this is what it's going to look like. So this gives you a better idea of what it is. Now, these won't be playing because if you want to see them play, you're going to have to go to a website. So let's go ahead and start. So go ahead and type in jiffy.com into your search bar. And you're going to be brought to a page that looks just like this. So you're going to see GIFs that are playing in loops. So these are what GIFs are if you still didn't understand it until now. So all you have to do is go onto the search bar, search for like different types of GIFs. You can go and look up funny GIFs, animated GIFs, romance GIFs, GIFs for literally any available type. Now that we have explained this, let's go ahead and move on to the next step. We want you to go to the search bar. Search for Instagram followers count or maybe YouTube subscriber count. And for today's video, we're going to use Instagram follower count. Now, there have been a lot of results that popped up, and I think this one is going to do for now. Now, we're going to click on it and then download it. And for that, you're going to want to right-click on that, click on Save Image As from the drop-down menu, and it's basically going to be saved in that way. Now, this is not the website that we're going to be earning from, alright? We're just getting GIFs from here. You can also actually upload GIFs here if you're interested. A lot of people have done that already, and that's why there are like a lot, you know. So let's just go ahead to the next website, and it's called eclincher.com. Now, when you look for this website on the internet, this is how it's supposed to look like. So the website, basically, it's used to manage people's social media accounts. Those people who want to grow their Instagram or gain more subscribers on their YouTube channels, they use this website. The website is very well known, and it has been featured in the Daily Herald, Forbes, ABC, Huffington Post, Fox News, Channel, the Boston Globe, and a lot more. Now, this website, it can be used with Instagram, it can be used with YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Google, TikTok, My Business, many more platforms. Literally, you name it, it's there. Now, don't you worry about it because you don't actually need to have a website or a social media account, alright? You don't need something like that with a huge following. You're not the one who needs it, okay? You're not the one who needs to boost the accounts. You're not the one who's going to use this website. This website helps people build their websites and boost their accounts. So this is perfect for people who are looking for ways to boost their accounts. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. You might be thinking, why eClincher when there are like a lot of websites that are similar? Now, this website guarantees to boost your social media ROI and grow your reach. They also have a great team with cutting-edge technology and a die-hard support team 24/7. They're continuously adding value and features so that you're going to be able to do your strategy properly. They have all the tools that you need in one platform. They have publishing, scheduling, interactions, engagement, content creation, and library management, social listening and monitoring, reporting and analytics, and team collaboration. And I want you to come to the homepage of eClincher and go to the very bottom of the page. And over here under eClincher, you're going to see partner/affiliate. And this is what we want you to click on. Now, you've guessed it, okay, we're going to work on an affiliate partner for the website. If we combine those GIFs and this website, you can earn thousands of dollars. So, we're going to complete the process, okay? Scroll down a little and you're going to see this apply here button. And by clicking on that button, you're going to be led to another page. And over here, you can register as an affiliate. All you have to do is enter in your email address, a working one, so you're going to verify it. You're going to enter your first and your last name. Leave that website box blank for now because this is where you're going to write the website that you're going to drive the traffic to. Complete the rest of the form. Click on the box next to the affiliate terms and conditions. Make sure that you check on I'm not a robot and then click on sign up and then go and get your affiliate link. And every time someone referred or someone is referred by you and they use eClincher, you're going to earn $100. This means you're going to earn $100 for one person, $500 for 5 people, and $1,000 for 10. Our next website is called imgur.com, and this website is used by 1 million people every day. They come here to post random stuff. You're also going to see a lot of GIFs here. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. And we're actually going to use this website to get traffic to our affiliate link. But the first thing you need to do is sign up on this web page. You're going to go to the top right corner of the page. Click on sign up. You're going to be redirected to this page where you're going to have to go through the usual sign up process. And after this, I want you to click on new post right here. And then from there, you're going to upload the GIF that we just downloaded in the first half of the video. You are going to give this post an eye-catching title. And you want people to look at it and actually want to buy followers. For example, you can say like, grow your Instagram followers or get more Instagram followers, get more subscribers. And then you're going to go ahead and make a description. And you, again, want a description that's attractive as well. So write it very simply and like make sure it's eye-catching. So for us, we're writing sign up and get your Instagram account boosted. So don't forget to add in your affiliate link or you won't get any traffic. And after that, we can go ahead to the hashtags. And then these are very important. People usually, they look for tags and keywords. And if they're looking for something. So you wouldn't want your post to like get lost, you know. So that's what's important to use tags. So you can do like Instagram influencer, boost Instagram account, buy followers, get followers, make subscribers. And that is basically everything. One more extra tip that we have for you is you can also share the affiliate link with your friends and your family. Post it on your personal social media accounts. And that is definitely going to help you out more. And that is basically everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.